DIYers and contractors. So I'm going to show you how you handle sprinkler lines. Once you run into a sprinkler line, cut that out and put the couplers in. Let's go ahead and clamp them. We got some 1-inch couplers here. We got a 3/4 inch here. That 3/4 inch goes there. It ran on a bit of a diagonal to the trench. So I want to show you guys how the French Drainman crew handles this. So you don't want to end up with a bunch of cut line that you don't know where the heck everything goes. So you got to address it as you come across it, and then that way it's prepped and it has rhyme and reason. We just cut out the pieces that we hit, and we need to make a cut anyways to get our pipes in. So once we get the high octane in, the next step's going to be just go ahead and put new poly pipe, nice clean poly pipe. There's another 3/4. There's going to be some downspout pipe ran in this trench. As soon as that's done, the sprinklers will end up getting repaired. Once the sprinklers are repaired, all pipes are in, sprinklers are repaired, then the stone goes in. That's how you handle your sprinklers. Look at everything's prepped. Don't find yourself in a bad way. It's easy to do with these sprinkler systems. Address everything as you come across it. All right, guys, until the next video.